So we're here, guys, and that's my taxi over there, and this is my hotel. We have some fountain over here. So this is the Crowne Plaza. This is where I'm going to stay here in Nanjing. Let's check in and have a quick room tour. Have a non-smoking room.
Okay. We'll just.
Okay. So we are now checking in at Crowne Plaza, and apparently they are nice here. The guy that is handling my reservation is this guy, and he's nice. Yeah. So this hotel is pretty much looks really comfortable. Look at the lobby. It's cool. So check-in is done. My room, I chose the room non-smoking because I don't really smoke. And we're going to 13th floor. So this is the 13th floor where our room is. This is the executive lounge floor. And that's the elevator. That's the reception for the executive lounge. And we are on our way to the room. Let's have a quick room tour. Okay. So upon entering, here's the main switch, the master light, and a huge mirror. And here, okay, let's start here on the left. On the left side is the toilet, and there's a phone, two sizes of tissue, and here's a sink and another mirror. And this door is sliding there. And here on the right side we have there's another sink with some toothbrush and some vanity clean and toilet paper. And there's two bottle of complimentary black. And there's a bathtub over here. The towel is there, and here is the shower. There's a rain shower, and you can sit while having a shower. Yeah, so that's it there. And what else? So this one is for the switches for exhaust fan, lights on the toilet, and the shower room light. And this one, guys, is actually a cabinet or a wardrobe. Let's see. This one is where the iron and ironing board is located or placed. This one is for the laundry. There's a checklist on the items that you place and the prices. And the prices, let's check the prices. There. T-shirt is 50 RMB for dry cleaning. Laundry is 40 RMB for a t-shirt. Ironing is 25 RMB for a t-shirt. So that's the price here. And there's a sewing kit. Oops. There. There's a sewing kit. There. And here there's a safe box. And this one is hair dryer. Yeah, it's a hair dryer. And this one, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's just a paper bag. So if you have something to place when checking out, some stuff that you bought here, you can place there. And here is the slippers, and there's a shoe brush, and there's apparently that's a what's that? The night lamp. Yeah, nothing here. This one is for fire. You throw it in the fire. Oh, when there's fire, yeah, whatever. This cabinet is where I placed my jacket. This is where they also place the umbrella if you need one, and some hanger and some bathrobe. That's where they place it. So it doesn't look like a cabinet from afar. It just looks like a well-designed wall. And this one is a sliding door. Yeah, there, sliding door to separate the bathtub and the shower and this sink to the bed. Yeah, so moving on, this is the bed. It's a king size bed and it has 4 pillows. Cool, 4 pillows. And that's my bag. And here is a flat screen TV. And this, guys, is actually a cabinet. Wait, what's this? Okay, that's a TV remote. This one is also a cabinet, I guess. Yeah, it is. And inside, what's this? Oh, here. It's a fridge with some drinks. Coke and Sprite. And some juice. This side is... oh, coffee. Yeah, water heater. There's some ice bucket and cups, and it says traveling for success. Yeah, and they have some complimentary tea and coffee. I don't know what's on this one. Okay, wine glass. They have wine glass. It's called the mini bar menu. Yeah. Sprite costs 22 RMB. So it's the cola, and local beer is 28 RMB. Chocolate nuts is 22. Yeah, that's the price. Red wine import is 118. Mineral water import is 32 RMB. Yeah, those are the price if you want to order some drinks in this mini bar menu. This one is empty. Okay. Sorry. Let's close it properly. And here is the desk where I will be putting the computer later on, phone, a desk lamp. There. Cool. And they have this white chair. Nice. And another chair here. And some lamp. And another phone over here. And a notepad. And the view of this room is... wow, a lake. Nice. Nice. That's a cool view. There. That's a lake. Awesome. So the guy at the reception gave me this complimentary drinks because I'm an Intercon member. Check again. And this one says IHG Rewards Club membership recognition. Thank you for your loyalty. Experience your benefits in a more rewarding way. Yeah. So it's a member welcome drink coupon for IHG or Intercon guest. Yep. Cool. So I have a drink later on at the lobby. using this, so I don't have to pay. That's cool. So I will have coffee. I will use the complimentary drink for members. I just had dinner, but I can take footage there because there's music. I will have coffee, cappuccino. Thank you. Yeah, I just ordered cappuccino, which is my favorite. So yeah, as I was saying, I had dinner at the Watts bar and restaurant. And the place is really nice, but I can't take footage there because there's music. There's a band playing song. You know the drill. We can't do that. Yeah, the food was great. I had spaghetti. It was really good. It was tasty, flavorful, and it was a lot. So I am really full with that spaghetti. I enjoyed it very much. And yeah, I will just have some coffee and get back upstairs, call it a night. Check that out, guys. There's a robot there. So finish my coffee and we're going back upstairs. Hey guys, good morning. So today we're going to check out in this hotel. Before we go to the checkout counter, we're going to have breakfast here. And I'm going to show you what food they serve.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you.
So guys, we're now done with the checkout. It was very swift, like less than 5 minutes or less than 3 minutes. It's done. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye.
The one who always comes through.